Hey, how's it going, everybody? Dom from Formal Debut back again. And on today's show, we are going to take a look at the new MTM PF22.2 Foam Cannon with the new wide mouth bottle. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, welcome back to the video. Welcome back to Formal Debut Detailing's YouTube channel. Like I said, on today's video, we're going to take a look at the new MTM PF22.2 foam cannon with the new wide mouth bottle. This is the newest iteration of this foam cannon. So on today's show, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the changes made to the new PF22. We're going to compare them to the old PF22, which I have here. I've been using this one for a couple of years now. And we're going to see if the PF22 is still the king of foam cannons. This foam cannon has been regarded for a long time as one of the best foam cannons on the market for car detailing. If you guys like car detailing content, you need to hit that subscribe button and you need to hit the notification bell to be notified when we come out with a new video. We post 2 new videos every week. If you like this video, please hit like, please hit share. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them down in the comment section. So on today's show, what we're going to do is we're going to tell you everything that you need to know about the MTM PF22.2 foam cannon. We're going to show you everything included with the PF22 kit that comes to you when you buy it. We're going to show you how to set this foam cannon up straight out of the box. Then we're going to move over to the car and we're going to do a full demo of the PF22. We're going to check its performance. We're going to see how it does. And we're going to show you guys how to get the most out of your PF22 foam cannon or any foam cannon. So why do you need to use a foam cannon? Before you perform any contact wash on a vehicle, you first want to perform a pre-wash step or a snow foam step, where you blanket the car in a layer of snow foam, and that is going to serve to encapsulate all the dirt, all the road grime, all the contamination, and it's going to start to flush that contamination off of the surface so that when you perform your contact wash, you're not grinding those contaminants into the paint, causing damage, causing swirls and scratches, causing marring. A pre-treat or a pre-foam is a very, very important part of professional car detailing. So typically, you're going to use a foam cannon with a pressure washer. You're going to fill the foam cannon with car shampoo or a dedicated snow foam like CarPro Lift that I have here. You're going to fill it up, you're going to dilute it with water, and you're going to foam down and spray down the whole car in order to get a nice layer of thick foam on the surface. You're going to let it dwell for as long as possible and then rinse it off, and then you can move on to your contact wash. So let's talk about the MTM foam cannons. As far as differences between these two foam cannons, obviously right off the bat, you can tell the difference between these two foam cannons is that the new MTM has a wide mouth bottle, and this still has that very narrow fill neck. This is the biggest problem that I've seen with the MTM foam cannon. My biggest issue with this foam cannon is it is incredibly difficult to fill, especially if you're using a gallon size of snow foam to fill this up. It's very, very difficult. This is super, super easy to fill. So let's talk a little bit about what you get in the box when you buy the MTM PF22. You're going to get the bottle section. You're going to get the actual foaming section at the top here. You're going to get the new wide mouth cap to go along with the wide mouth bottle. You're going to get the pickup tube that draws the snow foam from the bottle to the foaming mechanism. You're going to get this little baggie that comes with a few little adapters. It's going to come with 2 different orifices, a 1.25 orifice that's already installed in the foam cannon and a 1.1 orifice. You're going to get a 1/4 inch quick connect fitting for your pressure washer, and you're going to get an M22 fitting if you want to screw this foam cannon directly onto your pressure washer gun if you don't have a quick connect fitting on your pressure washer gun. You're also going to get something that's very, very handy. You're going to get this little cap. So if you finish using the foam cannon, you don't want to let this sit in product. You can actually unscrew the foaming head here, take the cap, and you can screw the cap on top. So that way you can pre-prep your foam cannon. If you're a mobile detailer or you're a business, you can pre-prep this bottle, and then when you're ready to work on the car, you just take this cap off and you screw on the foam cannon head, and you're ready to go ahead and start using it. So let's talk about some of the features of the MTM foam cannon. You have a 1,000 milliliter capacity, so a full liter capacity in the bottle. It has a wide bottom bottle, which makes it really easy to stand up and it's not going to tip over. Foam cannons tend to be top heavy because of the foaming mechanism. You set it down on the table or on the ground, it's not going to tip over on you. It's going to stay firmly there. This knob on top is used to control your foam output. If you unscrew it all the way, that's going to be the least amount of foam, and if you screw it all the way down to the positive, that's going to give you the most amount of foam quantity. I typically leave it at full max, full on. The tip here, as you can see, turn this black ring and it's going to change your fan width. If you turn the gray ring, you can actually turn the fan direction around, so you can actually turn it to horizontal or vertical fan. So this foam cannon is very, very versatile in the way that it uses the tip. You can change a lot of the actual angles and however you want to use it. The wide mouth bottle, unlike the original, super handy feature on the new one is it is just a quarter turn to open. So you just quarter turn it and it opens right up. And that's all you got to do to open and close it. So it's super easy to use, super user friendly. One huge benefit from MTM right now is that if you already have the old version of the PF22, you do not have to buy the whole foam cannon. You can actually buy the bottle separately. It just doesn't include this. So you can buy the bottle. It's very inexpensive. So if you have one of these and you just want to change to the wide mouth bottle, you can buy the bottle and you can swap over the head into the new bottle. You have that wide mouth capability. If you're looking for where to buy one of these, the wide mouth bottle without the head, as well as the whole foam cannon kit, is available right now on Formal Debut Shop. So I'll leave a link in the description so you can go down there and check it out after you watch this video, and you go pick one of these up if you're interested. So now we've talked about all the features of this foam cannon. Let's go ahead and head over to the car and we're going to do the demo. I'm going to show you how to fill this thing up. I'm going to show you how to get it attached to your pressure washer properly, and I'm going to show you how to properly use a foam cannon to get the best results possible out of your detailing experience. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get the foam cannon set up here. Show you how to fill it and dilute it. It's pretty easy. As you saw in some of the clips, when it comes into you, you're just going to have to install the cap on the head, install the draw hose, and install the fitting. So we've already done that. So we're going to go ahead and get it filled. We're going to use CarPro Lift for our snow foam today. So we're just going to fill up. I like using CarPro Lift with my pressure washer setup. I like to go to about the third line, maybe probably the fourth line up. I believe that's about 175 milliliters. Just going to fill the rest with water. And then this is where it gets, super easy. Just pop it on, quarter turn, and that's on. And that is, compared to the old foam cannon, that's where the benefit comes in for me. So now the way I usually like to run this is with the foam knob all the way down. That's going to be full on foam. I run it with a vertical fan and all the way closed. You guys can set it up kind of however you want. You can play with it a little bit. So let's go get over to the car and we'll go ahead and see how it actually works. All right, so as you can see, we got my 2024 Mustang GT. It's getting a weekly maintenance wash. So we're going to hook up the foam cannon to our pressure washer. And you can see, absolutely shaving cream thick. That's my favorite dilution ratio for getting the perfect foam. Let's go to a vertical panel here and we'll see what it looks like. Yeah, you can see the thickness is just absolutely insane. The performance of this foam cannon is absolutely second to none. It works seamlessly. It's super smooth. It produces fantastic foam. It's absolutely shaving cream thick. So go ahead and head back. We'll get some final thoughts on the MTM PF22 foam cannon. I'll tell you what I think about it, and we'll end the video. See you in a second. So some final thoughts on what I think about the MTM PF22.2 foam cannon with the new wide mouth bottle. I love these foam cannons. I think these are the best foam cannons on the market. I absolutely love my original PF22.2. I've been using it for 2 or 3 years now, and it has never let me down. It's an absolutely excellent tool for car detailing, and the new one is no exception. The new one is the same high quality piece of equipment that the old one was, just with that added benefit of the wide mouth bottle, making it super user friendly. So those are my final thoughts on the MTM. I think you should definitely go out and pick one up if you haven't checked one out already. Again, I'll leave the links in the description. Both the foam cannon and the bottle separately are available on Formal Debut Shop, and I'll leave those in the description. If you liked this video, please click like, please click share this with your friends. If you want to see more high quality car detailing content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and make sure you click the notification bell so that you get notified every time we post a new video. And as always, for Formal Debut Detailing, my name is Dom, and I'll see you guys on the next one.